So hey guys, again welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download the best screen recorder for YouTubers. So without further ado, let's begin. So as you can see it over here, that this is the screen recorder which I have already downloaded, which is known as Duo Recorder, and it can record videos at 720p with 820p without watermark. So yeah, let me show you how to download it and change the settings according to you. And it also have the function which helps us to use or draw when we are recording. So as you can see it over here, I drew like this. So you can draw anything when you are screen recording, or if you want to show something like this arrow, so you can make it, and you simply to click over here cross, so everything will get deleted. So yeah, first of all let me show you how to download it. So go to Google and type Duo Recorder APK download, or else I will leave a link in the description box so you can go and use that link. So click on the first link, and as you click on the first link you will be redirected to a genuine website which will be like this. The interface of website is like this, and over here you can see there is an option install. So you need to click on install and simply install it on your phone. So I have already installed it, so let me show you what to do after installing it. So now let me go back to my home screen, and as you can see it that this is the app of Duo Recorder. So I will simply open it, and you will get several options over here. So these are my recorded videos which I have already recorded before. So all your videos are saved in this app only, so it will be easy to navigate and pick up particular video if you want to edit it. So there is another option next to your video library, so this is not at all useful, so I won't prefer you to use that. And the third option beside it consists of video editing, so you can edit your recorded video on this app only, so you will not need some extra application for editing your video. So yeah, that is a good thing. So you can edit any of your videos in this application. And the fourth and the last option is of settings, and this is the main option. So as you can see it over here that the video resolution is 1080p, so you can change the video resolution according to you. So as you will click on video resolution, you will get several options. So I will prefer to choose 720p or 1080p. So after clicking on 1080p or 720p according to you, you will get another option of video quality. So I will again suggest you to keep it on auto, so don't change anything over here. And as you will go down, you will get another option of FPS, which means frame per second. So you can choose 25 or 60. So I have selected 60. You can also choose 25. So yeah, these are my suggestions. And as you will go down, you will get some bizarre option over here. As you can see, record audio. So you might be thinking what is bizarre in record audio. If you will disable this option, you can record internal audio without any extra device. So yeah, if you are a gamer, you can easily choose this option. So you will simply disable it and you will be able to record internal audio. But now I am using my microphone, so I have enabled it. So according to your situation, you can enable and disable it. And you can also manage your video location, where your video should be stored in your SD card or DCMI or wherever. So yeah, you can also do that. And as you will scroll down, you will get one more option over here of countdown. So this is the option of countdown, where it is very useful, and when you will start screen recording, it will show you some countdown animation of 3 2 1. So as I click on it, you will get option to keep countdowns of till 10 seconds, but I will prefer to keep countdown till 3 seconds, and never enable this option no countdown, because it gives you some abrupt output. So I will prefer you to choose 3 seconds only. And over here again, let me scroll down, and over here you will get an option of camera. So while screen recording, you can also enable your selfie camera or your rear camera, so your audience can see your reactions. So for example, let me turn on my camera, and over here you can see that there is, let me show you over here, it is, oh sorry guys, over here as you can see it that this is the camera and this is me. So you can also adjust the size of it. So let me click on it, and you can also actually adjust the size of it, and you can see that my face is coming inside a television, so you can also edit this television to something else. So now let me show you how to do that. So to change the image of television, you simply need to click on the television, and over here you can see there is an option. So you simply need to click over it, and as you will click over it, there will be a pop-up there, and there are several options of TV or anything you can choose. So for example, this is a monster option, so you can also choose this one, or the photo frame option, or any option in which you are comfortable. So you can choose any, and after choosing you simply need to click on cross. So as I will click on cross, you can see that my face is inside a frame. So now I don't want the camera, so I will simply click on cross, but if you want you can enable that option. And let me go down, and over here there is the most professional option available, that you can enable or disable the watermark of this application. So I have disabled this watermark because it looks professional, and most of you will definitely disable it. So you simply need to disable it when you will install this application. So you simply need to change all these settings when you will install this application. And yeah, give a thumbs up to my video if you are enjoying it. And let me tell you guys that you have to enable the brush option over here. If you will disable it, so you won't be able to do things or stuff which I am doing like right now. So you can see that I am scribbling, and you can also change colors from here. So as you will click on this palette option, you can change from green, blue, anything, and now I am able to scribble in green color. So but I prefer orange, so yeah, you can choose any color according to you. So now nothing important is there much. So yeah, and lastly and finally you can also select your language. So I am comfortable with English, so I will choose English, or you can also select your language, Chinese, Gujarati, or anything. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, click on the like button, and hope you have subscribed my channel. If not, so do subscribe it, and if you have any doubts regarding this, so do comment down below. So bye.